Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Vega helmet visor. Start by removing the visor with a Phillips screwdriver and inspect the hinge, seals, and mounting points for wear. Clean the surfaces with a mild detergent, dry thoroughly, and replace any cracked seals or stripped screws. Lubricate pivots lightly with silicone spray and test movement before reattaching the visor securely to the helmet. Follow these steps to restore smooth operation and clear vision. If the visor is sticking, start by removing debris from the pivot channel and wipe with isopropyl alcohol. Small scratches can be improved with plastic polish, but replace the visor if vision is compromised. For locking failures, examine the detent mechanism and springs, replace any worn clips, and ensure alignment is correct. Reassemble carefully, test the lock through the full travel, and adjust until the visor clicks securely in place. When replacement is needed, buy exact fit parts from an authorized dealer to preserve safety and fit. Measure screw lengths, pivot pin diameters, and seal thickness before ordering to avoid surprises. Fit new parts carefully, lubricate moving surfaces lightly, and test motion before every ride. Carry spare screws and a compact toolkit for quick fixes on the go. Regular inspection and prompt replacement keep the visor functioning and your vision clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.